Welcome everyone. In this video, we will describe and explain a very useful thing for you guys, and I will share ChatGPT long form complete article prompt, and this is and how to use this. I will share a link to this doc file with you. You just need to copy this double quoted text and go to there in edit and find a replace your keyword here, and now I will replace this with my keyword. Replace all, and now this prompt is ready for use. Copy this and paste it in ChatGPT. Run it. You can see a magic. It can write the title, meta description, start with introduction, and start with the main heading and subheadings, and it also write FAQ and conclusion. You can see it gives a very good explanation of every tool in a short way. As I already say, it is for long form and command contain 250 words with everything explained, what to do, what not to do, and SEO friendly. As its limit is gone, so what to do? Just write continue and submit. It will start writing where it left. So from left it start again, and I think it will summarize it now. And as I give it command of 2500 words, so it does not give me almost equal to it, but this thing gives it a command of long form. So you can see I got 10 different apps because it was for Android. As for the SEO friendliness and long form content, it says the prompt write 100% unique, creative, human written, and creative title, meta description. I include SEO meta description, introduction, heading. I also say H2. As per my experience, sometimes this prompt gives you heading in H2, and sometimes it does not work. What is the problem? I don't know, but it gives a decent output with a good and catchy title. You can see even it includes 2023, which is awesome. So if you guys love this little contribution, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.